How do I verify the authenticity of a Wells Fargo cashier's check?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss a very important topic: how to verify the authenticity of a Wells Fargo cashier's check. This can help you to prevent fraud and ensure that the funds you're receiving are legitimate.
What is a cashier's check?
A cashier's check is a check guaranteed by a bank, drawn on the bank's own funds and signed by a cashier or teller. Unlike a regular check, the bank, rather than the individual account holder, is responsible for paying the amount. This means they're often seen as more secure than personal checks. However, they can still be the target of fraud, so it's important to verify their authenticity.
How to identify a genuine cashier's check?
To identify a genuine cashier's check, you should look for several features. Quality of paper. Cashier's checks are printed on special paper. If it feels flimsy, it could be fake. Bank contact information. Authentic checks will have the bank's contact information printed on them. Check number. A genuine cashier's check will have a check number that matches the number on the MICR line at the bottom of the check. MICR line. This is the line of numbers and symbols at the bottom of the check. It should be clear and not smudged. If it appears to be printed rather than magnetic ink, it might be fraudulent. Signature. The check should be signed by a bank official.
How to verify a Wells Fargo cashier's check?
To verify a Wells Fargo cashier's check, follow these steps. 1. Contact Wells Fargo directly. The best way to verify a cashier's check is by contacting the bank directly. Avoid using the phone number printed on the check, as this could be fake. Instead, look up Wells Fargo's official customer service number online or on your own documents from the bank. 2. Provide the necessary information. The bank representative will likely ask for information about the check, such as the check number, the amount, and the payee's name. Be prepared to provide this information. 3. Wait for confirmation. The representative will then check the bank's records to see if the check is valid. Remember, do not deposit the check or use the funds until you have confirmation from the bank that it is genuine. So there you have it. That's how to verify the authenticity of a Wells Fargo cashier's check. As always, your safety is the most important thing. So, if you're unsure about a check's authenticity, it's best to hold off on depositing it until you can confirm its legitimacy. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.